I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the clip itself, update TikTok, and give the app microphone permission so audio works. Once done, plan a 15 to 60-second idea and record with steady framing and good lighting. Make sure background noise is low, because clarity matters when you add a voice. After recording, tap the check mark to go to editing. This moves you from capture to production, and it's where you'll add or record the voiceover that makes your message clear. You have two simple options: record your own voiceover or use text-to-speech. First, tap Adjust Clips then Voiceover to record directly into the timeline while watching the clip. Press Record, speak naturally, and trim the start/end. Alternatively, add text, type your script, then choose Convert to Speech and assign timing to match visuals. Make sure to balance volumes. Use the sliders to lower original audio or music so speech is clear. This step controls clarity and viewer retention, so get it right. Finish by previewing the full video and listening for sync and pacing issues. Play on headphones to catch problems you might miss on speakers. Once satisfied, add captions and effects, then export at the highest quality to preserve sound. If you run into trouble, no voice, low level, or TTS not working, first check microphone permission and audio sliders, then rebuild the voiceover on a fresh draft. If needed, clear cache or reinstall TikTok.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.